This type of environment can only be found in the rainforest area. The rainforest areas are areas characterized by green vegetation, high rainfall, considerable warmth all throughout the year. They cover about only 8% of the total Earth's surface. That is about 1.2 billion hectares of the Earth's surface. The rain expected in this area ranges from 2,000 to 10,000 millimeters per year, and they contain about more than 50% of the total plant species on Earth. Approximately 81,000 square kilometers of this rainforest area is lost daily. Yearly, 29.5 million square kilometers is lost to urban encroachment, deforestation, and of course fire. There are 10 major areas in this rainforest region. The three largest are the Amazon, the Congo Basin, and of course the New Guinea rainforest. Like and follow for more. Thank you.